Hi there. In this video, I just wanted to show you a bunch of things I recently bought from my Bambu P1S. I've got a mix of quick fixes, upgrades, and maintenance items. Starting off, we have this 2-pack of Hotend fans. I picked these up because my original Hotend fan actually broke. This 2-pack was a decent deal, and it comes with about 8 screws, and the dimensions are a perfect match to the original. Up next is this complete Hotend kit. I bought it because I was a bit worried the replacement fan alone might not do the trick, but it's also a great upgrade. This one features a hardened steel nozzle, which means I can now print abrasive materials like that awesome glow in the dark filament. To go along with that hardened steel nozzle, I also picked up this hardened steel extruder gear assembly. This is another essential upgrade if you want to print abrasive materials. Plus, it's a whole unit, which means a way less disassembly for me. I also went a little crazy and brought this extruder motor cooling fan. I was paranoid that my current one might fail, so I wanted to make sure I had a backup on hand. Then I thought, let me grab a spare extruder interface board as well, because I'm constantly plugging and unplugging the fan and other connectors. I was worried I might eventually damage the stock board, so I bought this just to be safe. And lastly, I picked up some super lube because it's time to do some routine maintenance on my P1S. Anyway, that's everything I bought this time around. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!